Just been to Bunnings and grabbed some 75mm PVC. And what I want to do with this, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. It was only 12 bucks. I've marked in the sizes I wanted, so 80 and 40 millimeters. But what I want to do is try and, when we're off grid a bit more, is make a gutter here so we can try and catch a bit of the water. So I want to put a little bit of that pipe in there and then clip it around the outside and then catch a fair bit of water off the roof, hopefully into a bucket and then just siphon into the tanks. But I'll see how I go with it after I cut the pipe and see if it's any good. So I cut these pieces of pipe here, 75mm for what I wanted, and that's about 80mm, and this is 45 I think. I didn't know which way to have them, so I decided to have the smaller one on the inside and the bigger one as a clamp. So I'll cut that one down the centre. I've got about, what, 6 or 7 in there now. So I just really put it in there. Clip this around here, which I'll tidy up a bit more after. I haven't even tidied the clips up yet, but I will. And that's, yeah, I'm just going to shoot it in. I'll just tip a little bit in. Here. See what happens. Hey. Straight into our bucket and around into our tank. And you can buy them other worm things, but then I just thought for 12 bucks.
Do that again. What happened up this end?
We got wet.
Do it again, I missed it.
Come out of here quicker than I thought.
Oh, don't hold it. You got to do it again. No.
A little bit of rain off the head. Nearly beat me down here. So yeah, should be able to catch a fair bit of water.
I wanted a blooper.
Oh, I did. Look at this. It's got me. Anyway, yeah. Well, I've got a bit of an overcast day today. It rained a little bit last night. I was too lazy to put this out. I've done a bit of a video the other day. I just thought I'd try this now. I've got some pipe already that I've started to stick on the gutter here to make a gutter. You can buy the proper things and stuff, but this cost 12 bucks at Bunnings, and 75mm poly, of course. I'll just cut all that to the length I wanted. It's pretty quick and easy. So now I'll just put the little round one in first like that, get this one and clip it around the outside like that. So I just got 6 of them, 7 maybe, and then hopefully we get some rain today, because I want to see if we can just top up the tanks a little bit with it. I've got the awning already a little bit of an angle, so they're quick and easy, these things. Just plonk them in there. And plonk that in there, then straighten her up. And now we've got a full-on gutter. The buckets, these have been around for ages. I just went to Bunnings and bought this, and then put my own little nozzle in there. This one's got a filter in it as well. I put a little filter in there to catch all the bird shit and all the gum leaves and stuff that's going to be on the roof. But we'll see how it goes. It's all trial and error. I've just got a little bit of twitching wire on this, so it's, you know, nothing's too hard to set up. So this is just bell wire, it's called this shit, and it bends. It's really quick and easy to set up. And bang that on there, and then hopefully we get some rain. Be nice if we do. We don't have to worry about water anyway, to tell you the truth, because we've got, hang on, what's going on here? We have got a tap. I'm going to start this again, Ange. We'll start it all again. The clothesline shouldn't be hanging there. We go over here with this, and this is how quick and easy it is to set up. Then we'll put the clothesline back. But
that helps hold the bucket on, look.
Yeah, so the rest of it now is quick and easy. Well, you get the Angie's got me He just got me all plugged up here. Now I need the phone. Anyway, it doesn't matter. That goes onto there. I'll catch the water into this. And then it's this bloody clothesline. Look at this again. Might be no clothesline zone, this one, I think. Yeah, catch the water into this and run it around. Because I haven't got my camera now, you can't see. Just goes around the side and gravity feeds into the van. That's easy. It's easy to understand, but yeah, so it's pretty rough and ready, but we'll see how it goes. It should catch a bit of water with the drain now. That's up through here. Spin you around. This is rough and ready. No cutting and no shutting in this video. It's just raw and real. That's what I'm going to start calling myself, raw and real. No flash music, no funny fucking things, just what works. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know later on. Thanks. See ya. We can do that again.